Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a newsletter in Mailchimp. First, you'll need to create an account or login. Once inside, head to the audience section. This is where you'll manage all your contacts. You can easily import an existing list or add new subscribers one by one. Remember, a well-organized audience is the foundation for successful email marketing, allowing for highly targeted communication and better engagement with your content. Next, it's time to design your email campaign. Begin by selecting a campaign type, like a regular email. Mailchimp offers many pre-designed templates, or you can build one from scratch to perfectly match your brand. Customize the layout with your unique colors, fonts, and logo. Then, add your engaging content, high-quality images, and clear calls to action to encourage your subscribers to take the next step. Crafting an effective message is crucial for your newsletter's success. Start with a clear and engaging subject line. This is key to encouraging opens. Personalize your email content to create a stronger connection with each subscriber. Before sending, always use the preview and test features to ensure everything looks perfect across different devices. Finally, you can schedule your email for a specific time or send it out immediately to your audience. After sending your newsletter, the work isn't over. It's vital to analyze its performance. Monitor key metrics such as open rates and click-through rates to understand how subscribers engage with your content. Utilize a /B testing to optimize elements like subject lines or calls to action for future campaigns. By refining your strategy based on this valuable performance data, you can continuously improve your email marketing efforts and achieve better results over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.